access to your books, access to the documents regarding how you source your products, access to how you drive sales to your brand, to your Amazon listings. All this stuff, looking under the hood, is part of the process when you decide to sell your Amazon-based business or brand. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about a vital provision in letters of intent, LOIs, when you have decided to sell your Amazon-based business or sell your Amazon-based brand. In most of these contracts, you're going to see an access provision. Sometimes it has other names, but it says basically the same thing, that during the due diligence process, you are going to allow the acquiring company, their lawyers, their accountants, their consultants, to really look under the hood of your business so that they can confirm the value of your Amazon-based business or brand. I don't think this provision should frighten you too much. Some Amazon brands who are in the process of selling want to hold back information as long as possible. I'm not saying that's a bad tactic as well, but I just want to make sure that you are aware of the access provision, you understand what it means, and you understand why they got to look under the hood. You want to learn more about how to build value into your Amazon-based brand, your Amazon-based business, please go to our new website, AmazonTrainingCenter.com. We have our first on-demand course available to you. It has 6 parts. Every single one, every single minute provides you with do-it-yourself tips on building value into your business so you can get more and more of that $2 billion that's available to you if you are open to selling your Amazon-based business or brand.
Hi, my name is Christopher Toomey, and I'm a paralegal here at Amazon Sellers Lawyer. I wanted to reach out to all the sellers in the Lisbon area. I'm going to be in Lisbon from September 2nd to September 6th. If you feel like meeting for a coffee and discussing your Amazon issues, please feel free to reach out.